pull up. You hear me? I'll pull up quick. Man, I'm trying to. They said that's the way. Man, I'm in Memphis. They said that's the way to do it. Man, you got to be down and go everywhere. Meet there. I'm meeting them. I'm meeting them. I'm out here doing it.
They good seeing you, bro.
Man, already. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. What's your next event you gonna be going to?
Shit, we're gonna be in Orlando, man. We're gonna be in Orlando on the 15th and 16th, KOG, baby.
Okay, I'll be out there. I'll be out there. I'll see you out there.
Boys raising hell.
He said they ready. Who you bet with this year, man? Teasley gonna be there?
Teasley gonna be there.
Chris Moore gonna be there?
Chris gonna be there.
Okay.
Goddamn,
they got all that.
Williford,
yeah, Williford, he's doing something too.
We gonna be in the house.
Yeah.
Super Street gonna be in the house.
Super Street.
Goddamn, that high roller though. Ooh.
That thing moving.
That high roller. That high roller putting that pressure down.
Even on you think he can get Chris Moore?
Man, no, you know that's Chris.
Is that a different? Okay.
But now Richard putting that pressure down.
What's his name?
Yeah. He putting that pressure down on Chris. So, you know, that's going to be a good race. If they ever pull it off, that's going to be a hell of a fire race right there, bro.
Yeah, I hope they don't be out there complaining and talking about people cheating. I hope that's over and settled with. Y'all need to just bring your best.
They supposed to have done it up there in Maryland, man, but Chris broke. So,
okay.
They paid the bunk out and they was dead on that. But now, you know, when Chris come back, man, he gonna come back hard. He gonna be ready. He gonna be a bike to reckon with. But I'm still going with gas, man.
Dang, man, you gonna bet, man. I bought a Chris Moore shirt. I bought a Chris Moore shirt, man. They suckered me in. Man, they made me buy me a Chris Moore shirt, man. They got the trailer and the food and the girls and everything and all these shirts and shit. They sound like they computer tuning and stuff. Triggerman. Man, that's ride, man. Yeah, that car fast. I be trying to video it, but the video don't do no justice. And he ain't making no full pass for free. He gon' show them. Go ahead.
Camaro that is.
Which one? Is out here?
Yeah, it's like a 2014.
I ain't seen. Oh, with Supercharged and Nitrous or something on it. I don't know. I need to meet him.
That boy's serious.
For real? I'm finna go find him then.
Serious.
I'm finna go find him.
I'm talking about Demonology made it hit.
And then that car.
Then Camaro made it hit in the right lane at 2 different times, but shit, I put my money on the motherfucking Camaro, man, the way goddamn he went down through there.
Yeah, Demonology didn't do a good job early. He didn't do a good job early. They over there, that Camaro.
Yeah,
I need to go find that boy.
He got that pressure.
Oh, what about that Tesla? You know about that Tesla?
I don't know nothing about it.
They talking about that Tesla running. He got a parachute.
He talking about the Tesla over in the lanes, y'all.
Yeah, the Tesla got a parachute, man.
He got the lunge on the back of that bit.
Let me see. Rims look nice, but you're not go best on road work. Let me see. Man, leave those rims on the SUVs. What about? I'm finna find that Camaro. I'll see you in a minute.
Those are the factory calipers.
Have y'all looked at this yet?
We're getting close to doing our first test pass with Dollmaster. We see Demonology go out to his test pass. Now we're about to see the Black Blur doing his thing. Then back to drag racing, baby.
Look out.
What's up with it? Look out, man. It's going down. Man, the sky looks so good. They ain't got no drink out here. I just smell Black and Miles. Oh, Rob one time. Yeah, I got the message. I ain't read it yet. Let me get my read on.
Tesla to the stage, to the lane. Tesla to the lane. Don't have to wait on you. Tesla to the lane. We're about to have the Black Blur versus the Plaid. Everybody knows about the Plaid.
Okay.
So this should be interesting. I don't know whose black bike this is with the lights on, but I'm going to have to slip it out of the way.
Okay, y'all.
Yo, Vapor!
Oh, already.
He said something about the batteries or condition and something.
Oh, okay. I think the battery got to warm up on these Teslas.
Yo, fuck your battery, let's go!
Yeah, he putting a cheat code in, y'all. He about to get it done, y'all. What, he letting the battery warm up? You got 4 minutes left? Yeah. Okay. Hey, we got 4 minutes left, man. On their ass.
Put it at the lane. Yeah, let's try the lane.
Oh, you can drive it still? Oh, okay. I thought it was undrivable. Damn. You gotta get the race mode take. We got appreciate the follow, Pharmacy Freak. Tell E-Vapors what's up. E-Vapors, what's up?
What up, E-Vapors?
Right lane. I got an old video of E-Vapors I ain't posted yet, y'all.
In the left lane. No,
Dog Master's already in the left.
Yeah.
Slide to the right hard. Okay. You good on the other side. Yeah, you good, brother. Keep on going, just like that.
Yeah, you good.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him. You mad clear.
Oh, Tesla smart, man.
Alright, man, I'm going to Tesla Plaid. First one with a parachute on the back. Parachute on the back. The Plaid?
9.5. Yeah, Twisted Soul. Technology versus gasoline. High voltage. Excuse me. He probably got some lightweight wheels on.
Whether you got a track, a straight, where we going?
Well, I don't know where to go. Okay, yeah, they want him to go around that water. He did good. Here we go. Fox by the King, look out. Yeah, what you think?
Against it, hey man, it's a black blur, you know.
Yeah.
I've been able to get snatch your soul twice, but I have a race wheel. But I'm in a different league now.
Yeah, he in a different league, man.
What's up? Get some more water.
It didn't sound like the track ever just picked that hook up real good.